Come on, bitch. Really? You're gonna play games right now? Play games? Really? You're gonna play games?
Κοίτα εδώ το μαλάκα, ρε, κοίτα εδώ το μαλάκα. Κοίτα εδώ γάμο το σπίτι του γάμο. Καραγκιόζη. Σε καραγκιόζης. Για μαλάκα, ρε, κοίτα εδώ ένα μαλάκα. Σκάσε ρε, πουλώσε το ρε, μαλάκα.
Northeast PA's favorite station, radio station 98.5 KRC.
Этот ролик вышел при поддержке букмекерской компании 1xbet. Тут всегда высокие коэффициенты и большие выигрыши. Регистрируйся на сайте самого надежного букмекера прямо сейчас. Ссылка в описании.
Don't hit my car.
I can't even get in. Move
I don't care. You shouldn't have parked there. This is handicap parking.
Okay, you're being real.
It's handicap parking. It's handicap parking.
You're being petty.
It's handicap parking. It doesn't matter.
You're like a little bitch.
It doesn't matter. It's handicap parking. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's handicap parking. I'm just here to make sure you don't hit my car. Crawl on your passenger side, whatever you have to do. I don't give a fuck. Maybe next time you'll be more considerate and not park in handicap, blocking other people.
You want blocking, right? All right, I got time today, bitch.
Goodbye.
I got time today.
Goodbye.
I got time today.
Check yourself out on YouTube. YouTube. That'll be it right there. Go ahead, call the cops. What are they going to do? They're going to give you a ticket for parking there.
I'm black. I'm not fucking white.
Okay.
Okay, you call the cops.
What does race have to do with anything? What does race have to do with anything? I'm picking on you for parking in a handicap spot. It's not even a place to park in, first of all. It's not a place to park in. It's not a place to park in. You're going to look really stupid and ignorant on YouTube. You're going to look dumb. You already look dumb. You're retarded. You're absolutely dumb. I have a handicap sticker. You cannot park there. First of all, it's for wheelchair access only. Because you're an idiot. You're an idiot. Because I put people like you on YouTube. Goodbye. Be on with your day now. Be on with your day. You're going to sit here and block the road. That's obstruction of traffic, first of all. It really is. Go ahead, record me. This lady's sitting here recording me because I called her out for sitting in a parking spot. That's handicapped. She has no right to be in. Absolutely no right. And then she hit my door, my back of my car with her door.
But you blocked me from coming in my car.
It doesn't matter.
Stupid ass.
It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You have no right to be there. I'm parked in my spot, guys, but I blocked her in where she's not supposed to park.
Your broke ass fucking car. This is why you got the day today, right?
Yep.
What you gonna do?
Yep.
What are you gonna do?
Post you on YouTube.
Yeah, like a dumb
That's
ass.
all I'm gonna
What are
do.
you gonna do? That's how you make a little money?
Yep. It is, exactly.
I know. By bothering
Yep.
fucking people, right?
Yep.
When I come out my
No,
car,
by filming people that don't have any business being in a parking spot that's handicapped, first of all.
Right here. And I cannot get in my
You have absolutely no business parking there. Absolutely none. Doesn't matter. I'm in a parking spot. I'm in a parking spot. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Learn not to park where you're not supposed to. Don't park where you're not supposed to.
Okay, that's why you handicapped now, bitch.
Yeah.
Yo, you disabled.
Look at you. You're ignorant. Completely. Completely. You don't know right from wrong. Yeah, you're lucky you didn't touch me. Because I got front, back camera, and I got this one rolling. Yeah, okay, goodbye. Goodbye. Yep. You just wasted 10 minutes of your day because you parked somewhere you weren't supposed to. How does it feel? I'm not wasting time. I'm sitting here. Goodbye. Absolutely ridiculous.
Hang on, Drew.
In 0.1 miles, at the roundabout, take the second exit, and then...
Now she's sitting there doing her eyes. Literally. You realize that's so handicapped people can get out if they have a wheelchair? Yeah, you're definitely going on YouTube. It's for handicapped people to get out with a wheelchair, not a parking spot. Yeah, you're gonna go on YouTube. Yep, you're gonna be YouTube famous now.
Stop.
I have a sticker. This is a parking spot. You're an idiot. Oh, she just hit my car. I just got her on camera for you. You heard me? I got her on camera right here for you. I got her on camera getting in your face. I have her right here. Wait, don't message me on Facebook. Oh wait. Aren't you Carl's mom? You're Carl's mom, right? Yeah. Message me on Facebook. Don't come over here. You're going to get me in trouble. Yeah, tell Carl to message me. I'll send it to you. Yeah, please just don't, because you're going to get me in trouble. I don't want to. I'll send it to Carl when I get home.